We're here with CareCore today at Meals on Wheels.
We are packing up boxes for people in our community. This way we can put a smile on their face. They open up the box, they have a meal to eat, and they remember us.
Volunteering is very important for me because I give out to the community. And I'm so grateful that I can do it because I was in a point where I needed that help.
I've always been instilled with treat others the way you want to be treated. And if I'm ever in need, I would want somebody to lend a hand out and help me. And I love serving our community in any way I can.
As a Broadway banker, I think giving back to the community is very important. I think it's part of our culture and who we are. So taking time out of our day to help individuals in the community, give back and help where we can is very important to the bank and to me as a person.
This is part of our family. This is who we are. We give out to the community, not only in banking, but volunteering.
I am very honored that Broadway Bank allows volunteer time off, which is VTO. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be able to be here today. And that allows us to go out in the community at any time during the day, give back. Volunteering with CareCore, you rock.